Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Frotella. In this video, we are going to build this web application. Have you ever watched Finding Nemo movie? If yes, you should be aware of this fish. It's a clownfish. Okay, now let's build this application. Create a folder. In that, create index.html, style.css and one images folder. In that images folder, you can place all the images. You can get these images. I have provided the link in the below description. Open the folder using Visual Studio Code. Now write HTML and select HTML5. You can get this predefined code. I am giving title as aquarium animation. You can see in the browser, and I want to include a div tag as class as hero. So before styling hero, I want to include a style sheet with style.css which I have created. So now I can style here. I want to give padding as 0, margin as 0 and font family as sans serif. So it will be applied to the entire web page. I want to add a background color for my hero class with width 100%, height as 100 vh. I want to include a background image. This is the background image. So now you can see the background image. So I want to add some more css properties as background size as cover, background position as center, position relative and overflow is hidden. Let me include an image with class name as logo. I want to include the logo of Frotella here. So now you can see logo which is in big size. I want to decrease the size. So now I want to give width as 80px and height as 80px. Now size is decreased. I want to include a nav bar with class name as nav bar. I will place this logo in the nav bar because it will be part of the nav bar. So now let me style this nav bar. So width as 85% and height as 15%. I will give margin as auto and display will be flex. So now you can see image is moved little bit. I want to align items as center and justify content as space between. So now image is placed perfectly. So I want to include button here with name as sign up. Now you can see the sign up button. I want to add style for that button. So I want this color should be similar to white, Alice blue, and I want to add padding 10px vertically, 25px horizontally. So I want background to be transparent. I am giving background as transparent. So now you can see I want to give border as 1.5px solid white color. I want to add border radius also 20px. Now it's looking good. So let me add outline as none and cursor pointer. So if I hover on that button, it will show clickable icon, and I want to increase font size to 18px. So let me add another div. So I want to include content. I am giving class name as content. In the h3 tag, I want to write some text as underwater scenery. You can see that in the black color. I want to include h1 tag with a beautiful ocean life. So again I want to include here button with name as explore. So I want to style them here. So I will style content with color Elise blue. I will position as absolute. I want to place them 50% at the half of the screen and left 80%, 8%. I want to translate -50 and z index as 2. So now we can see that I want to increase the size of h1 tag. So I'm increasing font size to 80px with margin 10px, 0 and 30px. So now it's looking good. Now after that I want to include the sidebar at the right side of the web page. So now let me include an image of menu. So in the image folder I will have menu icon. So now you can see menu icon at the left. Style sidebar with width 70px, height as 100px, and background as I want to include a gradient here with color codes of these. So it will be similar to the background image. So now you can see it's in the left position. I want to change that position and position as absolute, top 0 and right 0. So now it's moved to right. So now you can style that menu icon. I am giving it as class as menu. So I can style that menu icon here. I want to display it as block with width 25px. So now it's changed width and margin as 40px, auto 0. So now I want to cursor as pointer. So if I hover on that, it will be clickable icon. I want to include some social links like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Let me include image tag with Facebook icon and copy paste below Twitter icon and Instagram icon. So now you can see this icon. So let me add some another links like useful links. So they will be info icon and share icon. So now you can see them. So let me style them here. I want to style images of both social links and useful links. So I will assign width as 35px. So they will, and margin as 5px vertically and horizontally 20px and cursor as pointer. So now you can see them. So I want to style the social links so that width as 50px, text align as center, position at absolute, top 50. So they will be moved to 50% of the screen. Transform as translate -50. So I want to style now useful links, width 50px, text as center, text align center, position as absolute, bottom 10%. So they move to bottom of the screen. So now it's time to create animations for the fishes. Let me include those fishes. I'm giving class names for each fish with f1, f2 and like that, so on. So copy paste those and change the class names f2, f3, f4, f5 like that. So these are moved to the right side of the screen. Let me style those images. with width as 200 px and height as 100 px. So those change sizes are changed now. So for fish 1, let me position as absolute and top as 200 px and left as 0 px. They should be at the left position. Something is fishy here. So I want to include this tag in the hero section. Let me find where I have to include. So below the div tag, copy paste as same as top. So position them accordingly differently so that they will be positioned differently. So change the names of the class names here. So top 300 px and top some 550 px. So let me give top as 700 px. So now you can see those fishes should not be visible at the start. Now you cannot see any fishes because they are left side of the screen. So let me animate them. So by including animate fish, I want to include as 7 seconds and linear infinite. So they will be animating infinitely. I want to add keyframes. So at the 0%, I want to transform that fish to be at starting and with opacity 0. So I don't want fish to be visible at the starting of the screen. At the 10% I want fish to be visible. So at the 10% as opacity 1 and 90% as opacity 1, transform to 2100 at last. So let me add animation delay as 3 seconds, for fish 2 as 5 seconds. You can give any delay here. I am including randomly. So now you can see fishes are moving. So let me add I want to change the size of the fishes, like some width, by changing width and height. So now you can see the fish to height and width will be small. So let me change the size of every fish, includes randomly. So now you can see here, like the same way change for every fish. So now our website is built successfully. If you find this video is helpful, like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Team Frotella signing off.